In this video, you will learn how to stop unwanted promotional emails in Gmail. Open Gmail and sign in. Log into your Gmail account on your browser or mobile app using your credentials. Open the promotional email. Click the unwanted email you no longer want to receive. Then click unsubscribe. If available, click the unsubscribe link at the top of the message near the sender's address. Confirm your unsubscribe. Follow the instructions in the pop-up window to confirm you're unsubscribing. Mark as spam if necessary. If unsubscribing does not work, click the three dotted menu, then select Report Spam. Create filters for control. Go to Settings, Filters and Block Address. Click Create a new filter. Set it to delete or skip the inbox for certain senders. Now you know how to stop unwanted promotional emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.